Hi friends, welcome to Excel 2016 Essential Training. My name is Sam and I would be your trainer for Excel 2016. I am having around 2 decades of experience in corporate trading and I would ensure that your journey with Excel 2016 remains smooth and meaningful. Let us quickly see what you would learn in Excel 2016. You will first study getting started with Excel, entering data, working with formulas and functions, formatting the data, getting started with Excel, entering data, working with formulas and functions, formatting the sheet, data tools, searching and filling data, working with formulas and functions, organizing data and subtotaling, pivot tables, and mail merge. How I would answer your queries. Now as you start your journey in Excel 2016, you are surely going to come across certain queries. So in the Q&A, that is the question and answer section of this training, that is the portion where you can come in contact with me. So you can post all your queries over there and rest assured I will answer each and every query which you write over there. Feel free to query even about your smallest doubts in Excel. Lastly, I would give my best wishes to you for learning Excel, and don't forget to leave a feedback about how you find this training. So see you in the training.